Now, if you guys are looking for a speaker which not only sounds good but looks very amazing too, keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. Now, if you're new to the channel, hello! Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos every single week, and if you're returning as a subscriber, welcome back, mon ami. Now, speakers are generally known to be typically shaped in a box type of form factor, and when I got a request from Flight Sim Movie on doing a comparison video and mentioned about a Luna Eclipse speaker, I went online and saw the speaker and went, whoa! Is that a speaker? So I reached out once again to the guys from Edifier Malaysia to test out this speaker. So here's my review of the Edifier Luna E25 HD speakers. Now the speaker comes with a quite huge box and it shows the 3 different available colors for you guys to choose from, as it comes with black, white and red as shown at the front of the box. And at the back of the box, there's visuals of the color of the speaker of your choice and the overall features as well. You will need to then open the flap at the side of the box to reveal another box which is brown in color. Now, lifting the flap of that brown box, there's the instructions manual and the warranty card underneath the flap. Then you'll see a box at the side which contains a little small box, and that contains the DC power brick adapter with the 2-pin UK plug cord, the AUX cable, the optical cable and the RCA to AUX cable, the left to right speaker proprietary cable, and a handy microfiber cloth with the Edifier logo, since the speaker is prone to fingerprints with its glossy finish. Now, just between the speakers you'll find the IR remote, and this is to remotely control the speakers if you wish. And you'll find both of the speakers also covered up nicely in the cloth pouch as well. As for build quality, as mentioned, that the speaker has a glossy finish, and this finish is available for all the different colors that you guys choose from. Now, each speaker has a 3/4 inch 19mm silk dome tweeter, a 3-inch 76.2mm full range speaker driver. And in addition to that is also the 76.2mm passive bass radiators, which has a very unique placement at the back at the middle of each speakers. It has 15 watts power output for the treble and a massive 22 watt for the bass, and each speaker has a twin passive bass radiators to amplify the sound to its maximum sound. And since this speaker has a built-in digital signaling processing, also known as DSP, through the optical input, you won't get any distortion even at maximum volume of the speaker. And I've even tested out it I've even tested it out on the Bluetooth and the AUX connection as well. Now, at the back of the right side of the speaker, you'll find the AUX in, the DC in for power, and the connection between the left speaker. And at the back of the left speaker, you'll find just the speaker cable which connects from the right. And underneath each speaker, there's also a screw mount if you guys plan to mount the speaker on a stand, which you can always order as a set or even order it separately. Now, to set up, first connect the speaker cables from the left to the right of the speaker. Next, connect the speakers to the desired device, as there's 3 different inputs for you guys to choose from between the AUX port, Bluetooth, and through the optical cable, which is used for multimedia systems and gaming consoles. Now, since personally for me I'm going to be connecting to my Amazon Echo Dot, I'll be connecting through the AUX cable. And last but not least, connect the DC adapter at the DC input, and once connected, you'll see a green light indicator below of the right speaker. Now, once it's connected, you can already use the touch speaker control, which is also available at the right side of the speaker, where you can turn on the speaker, and after it's on, you can even touch the same button to change between the different type of inputs, where red is equivalent to the optical input, green for the AUX input, and blue for Bluetooth mode. Then there's the volume up and down, and there's a very cool way for you guys to mute the speaker by touching all the buttons at the same time. As mentioned earlier, that this speaker has Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity, where pairing with your phone or your PC with the speaker is a breeze. By turning on a Bluetooth and finding for Edifier Luna Eclipse HD, you'll hear a beep sound as a confirmation, and the light indicator will also turn blue as a confirmation that it's on Bluetooth mode. Now when it comes to the overall sound, this speaker sounds really good as expected. It has a perfect balance between the treble and bass, and the overall projection of the sound is perfect with its current speaker angle, as you won't need to get an additional speaker stand for it to be on the desk. And of course there's a difference in sound quality between the sound through AUX and also Bluetooth. So here's a quick sound comparison between the AUX input audio and the Bluetooth audio so you can be the judge. Now the Bluetooth connection also unlocks some of the other cool Bluetooth playback functions, such as sliding from down till up to go to the previous track, sliding from up till down to go to the next track, touch all buttons at the same time briefly to pause, and touch all the buttons for about 2 seconds to disconnect Bluetooth. While some online reviews complained that it did not work for them, it worked completely fine when I tried to do it, so maybe it's because our weather is hotter. While there's also an additional remote if you guys would like to use that, but I find myself not using a remote and control it through the gestures mentioned, but it's totally up to you. Now what is also great is that you can always go with the Luna E 2.1 sound system by choosing the additional woofer if you guys would like to have the extra punching sound of bass. So guys, in conclusion, if you guys would like to get a speaker to really enhance your music listening pleasure and of course looks very visually pleasing, this award-winning speaker would be definitely a choice for you. But please remember that this is catered to give you a better and a colorful sound, and it's not like a typical monitor speaker which is more flat in sound. And once again, a huge thanks goes out to Edifier Malaysia for sending out this speaker, and if you guys are planning to get this speaker, as usual, I will link this speaker at the description below. So guys, do let me know what you think of this speaker. Are you guys planning to get it? Do let me know at the comment section below as well. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys as usual next week.